Usomkhulumi waphambilini wabomakadebona bepi boMkhonto Wesizwe Niehaus Uqothiwe njengelunga le-ANC. NgoVelabahlinze wangomnyaka ophelileko wajanyiswa njengelunga le-ANC. Malungana nekulumo ayethula eNkandla nakayokusekela umengameli waphambilini Zuma ngaphambi kokuthi abotjhwe. uNiehaus wasolwa ngamacala azithandathu okuziphatha kumbi ngokwephula i-Rule 25 yomthethosisekelo we-ANC. Nanyana kunjalo, yena uthi akayazi ukuthi uqothiwe uthi naye uyizwa ngobatjho.
I have not received that letter personally. This letter was simply sent out into the public domain by that kangaroo call that called themselves the National Disciplinary Committee. It is utterly unacceptable that any person who is personally affected, as I am by such a ridiculous decision by the National Disciplinary Committee of the ANC, must hear about this on social media, and there's not even the most basic decency to first ensure that I'm informed about this vindictive decision of the National Disciplinary Committee.